Texas is a land of big skies, big hats, and even bigger hearts. From the rugged deserts of the west to the rolling hills of the east, the Lone Star State is a place of diversity and contrast. Its people are friendly and proud, with a fierce independence that's as vast as the state itself. Texas is famous for its cowboy culture, delicious barbecue, and vibrant cities, but there's so much more to explore in this fascinating state. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 10 amazing places in Texas. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss new videos. Take a look at the description for some travel tips. Number 10, San Antonio. San Antonio is a foodie's paradise, with a tantalizing blend of Tex-Mex cuisine, mouth-watering barbecue, and local specialties that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. Whether you're looking for a gourmet dining experience or some delicious street food, San Antonio has it all. But that's not all, the city is also home to some incredible attractions that are sure to keep you entertained. Take a stroll along the famous River Walk, a network of walkways that wind their way through the heart of downtown San Antonio. Here, you'll find a plethora of restaurants, bars, and shops, as well as beautiful gardens and stunning river views. If you're a history buff, you'll be thrilled to know that San Antonio is steeped in fascinating stories from the past. Visit the Alamo, where a small group of Texans fought against Mexican troops in 1836, or explore the San Antonio Missions, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that tells the story of the city's colonial past. Number 9, Austin. Austin is the capital city of the state of Texas, and it's a vibrant, eclectic, and thriving metropolis that's full of life and culture. It's situated in the heart of Texas Hill Country, and it's known for its incredible music scene, outdoor recreation, and thriving tech industry. One of the things that really sets Austin apart is its music scene. The city is known as the live music capital of the world, and it's easy to see why. There are over 250 live music venues in Austin, ranging from intimate dive bars to massive outdoor amphitheaters. The city hosts two major music festivals each year, South by Southwest and Austin City Limits, and it's a hub for musicians of all genres and styles. In addition to music, Austin is also known for its incredible food scene. The city is home to a diverse range of restaurants, food trucks, and markets, serving up everything from classic Texas barbecue to fusion cuisine and farm-to-table fare. Austin is also known for its love of breakfast tacos. You can find them on just about every street corner in the city. Number 8, Houston. One of the things that makes Houston stand out is its incredible diversity. More than 145 languages are spoken in the city. This diversity is reflected in Houston's food, music, and culture, making it an exciting and vibrant place to visit or live in. Houston is also a city that has a lot to offer in terms of attractions and entertainment. Sports fans can catch a game at one of the city's professional sports stadiums. For art lovers, Houston boasts a number of world-class museums, such as the Museum of Fine Arts Houston, the Contemporary Arts Museum Houston, and the Menil Collection. Houston is also home to several iconic landmarks, such as the Johnson Space Center, where NASA's Mission Control is located, and the Buffalo Bayou Park, a beautiful outdoor space that offers hiking, biking, and kayaking opportunities. Number 7, the Texas Hill Country. Nestled in the heart of Texas, this ruggedly beautiful region boasts rolling hills, crystal-clear streams, and miles upon miles of awe-inspiring scenery. The Hill Country is also home to numerous towns and cities, each with its own unique character and charm. Some of the most popular destinations include Austin, San Antonio, Fredericksburg, and New Braunfels. One of the most famous attractions in the Hill Country is the Enchanted Rock State Natural Area. This massive granite dome rises over 400 feet above the surrounding landscape and offers stunning views of the Hill Country. Visitors can hike to the top of the rock and explore the surrounding trails and natural areas. Another popular destination in the Hill Country is the Guadalupe River. There are numerous parks and campgrounds along the river that offer a variety of recreational opportunities. The Hill Country is also home to a thriving wine industry, with over 50 wineries located throughout the region. Number 6. Big Bend National Park. Are you ready for an adventure that will take your breath away? Look no further than Big Bend National Park, a true gem of the American Southwest. With over 800,000 acres of stunning desert landscapes, rugged mountains, and winding canyons, Big Bend National Park offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Get ready to hike, bike, climb, and paddle your way through some of the most stunning terrain in the world. The park is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including black bears, mountain lions, and javelinas. Keep your eyes peeled and you just might spot a rare bird or reptile. One of the most iconic features of the park is the Rio Grande, which winds its way through the towering cliffs of Santa Elena Canyon. Take a rafting or kayaking trip down the river for a thrilling and unforgettable experience. Number 5. Guadalupe Mountains National Park. This park is home to the highest peak in Texas, Guadalupe Peak, which towers over the landscape at over 8,700 feet tall. But Guadalupe Mountains National Park is more than just one peak. It's a rugged wilderness area with diverse landscapes, from steep canyons and rocky outcroppings to verdant forests and serene streams. The park is also home to one of the most extensive and well-preserved fossilized reef systems in the world, a testament to the incredible geological history of the area. And let's not forget about the wildlife. You might spot mule deer, elk, or even a black bear while exploring the park. Birdwatchers will delight in the chance to see golden eagles, peregrine falcons, and many other avian species. Number 4. Dallas. Dallas is home to many famous landmarks and attractions, including the iconic Reunion Tower, which offers panoramic views of the city's skyline. The city is also known for its historical significance, with landmarks such as Dealey Plaza and the Sixth Floor Museum, which commemorates the assassination of President John F. Kennedy in 1963. Dallas is also a hub for sports, with the famous AT&T Stadium, home of the Dallas Cowboys, and the American Airlines Center, home of the Dallas Mavericks and Dallas Stars. The city is also home to the Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden, a breathtaking 66-acre garden that features stunning floral displays, water features, and walking trails. Dallas is also a major business hub, with a thriving economy that's driven by industries such as finance, technology, and healthcare. The city is home to many Fortune 500 companies, and its central location in the U.S. makes it a strategic location for both domestic and international businesses. Number 3. Padre Island National Seashore. This 70-mile stretch of paradise is the longest undeveloped barrier island in the world, and it's just a stone's throw away from Corpus Christi. With crystal clear waters and pristine white sands, this slice of heaven is a haven for beach bums, nature lovers, and adventure seekers alike. Get your heart racing as you take on the waves with your surfboard, paddleboard, or kayak. Or take a leisurely stroll down the beach and soak up the sun while catching glimpses of dolphins and sea turtles swimming along the shoreline. Another unique feature of the park is its historical significance. The area was once used by Spanish explorers as a landing site, and the park's visitor center offers exhibits and educational programs on the island's cultural heritage. Number 2. Galveston. With miles of pristine shoreline and crystal clear waters, Galveston is a beach lover's paradise. Whether you're looking to swim, surf, sunbathe, or simply relax and read a book, Galveston's beaches have got you covered. And let's not forget about the beachside bars and restaurants that will keep you fueled and refreshed throughout your day in the sun. Take a stroll through the historic Strand District, where you'll find beautiful Victorian-era buildings housing trendy shops and restaurants. Or, check out the Galveston Island Historic Pleasure Pier, an iconic amusement park built over the water, offering breathtaking views of the Gulf of Mexico. Number 1. Marfa. This small desert town may seem like a blip on the map, but don't let its size fool you. Marfa is a hub of artistic expression, natural wonders, and cultural richness that'll leave you awestruck. This little town is home to one of the world's darkest skies, which means you can see more stars than you ever thought possible. One of Marfa's most famous attractions is the Marfa Lights, a mysterious phenomenon where unexplained lights appear in the sky at night. Visitors from all over the world come to witness this incredible spectacle and try to unravel the mystery behind it. But that's not all Marfa has to offer. Art lovers will be delighted to know that the town is a hotbed of contemporary art. You can spend hours wandering around the galleries and installations, soaking up the creative vibes that radiate from every corner. That was all for today's video, and thank you for watching it. Which place did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Check out the description for some travel tips. See you next time.